Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a meeting in Zoom on mobile. The process is quite easy and simple, and it is the same for Android as well as iOS devices. And after that, simply open up your Zoom app. So, here we go. Make sure that you're logged in with your account on Zoom, either with Google or some other service. Once you're logged in with your account on Zoom, you can see the button for New Meeting. Simply go and tap on New Meeting. Here, the video is on, and you can tap on Start a Meeting. Tap here, and you can see the meeting has just started, and it says Connecting Call using the Internet Audio. Once you have done that, you can stop the video or mute from the bottom. If you want to invite someone, tap on Participants. Then tap on Invite. Here, you have multiple options, either sending emails, sending messages. The best one for me is to simply copy the invite link and share it with the people I want to have a meeting with. So I would copy the link and message them the link, and the people will join the Zoom meeting. That was how to create a meeting in Zoom on mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.